Hello YouTube and welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscription button along with the notification bell. That way you will know when I have new content that comes out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you today. So today I just have a little tiny Aldi haul. I am just so over grocery shopping, guys. I don't know. You'll see it's not a whole lot of food, and the bill came to $76.14. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I am over grocery shopping. I'm over fighting the crowds. I'm over fighting the traffic. I'm just done. I am at the point where I don't even want to go out of the house anymore. So I think I'm mostly done. I'm debating whether to go to church Christmas Eve or not. A lot will depend on the weather. I can go out if it's cold. That part doesn't bother me, but if it's dark and rainy, I won't be able to see that well to drive home. So I'm just kind of going to play things by ear and see what the weather is. But other than that, I'm not going anywhere. I've just had it. I've had it with my GPS lady. I so fired her butt this afternoon. I was just done with her. And, y'all, it's just been one of those days. So, yeah, I went into Aldi. I was very shocked at their baking aisle looked like it was decimated. They did have a few eggs, not many, but they did have some. I got the last of the half and half. They were very low on milk. Yeah, they just didn't have, they had things, but not a lot of anything except turkeys. They had a lot of turkeys. I will say they were plenty stocked on turkey, which I didn't need, of course. So anyway, let's get into the kitchen and I will show you my little Aldi grocery haul. All right, starting over here, I got some naan bread. 2 loaves of bread, a pack of hamburger buns, and a cheese pizza. And then I got, got some oatmeal, 2 boxes of scalloped potatoes, because I do have a ham that I'm going to be doing. I love scalloped potatoes and hams, so I got 2 boxes of those. I got 2 rolls of pork sausage, a thing of Cool Whip, 2 things of half and half. They changed how they do their half and half. This is all that they had. That was literally all that they had. 2 things of cinnamon rolls. I did see a couple different recipes I went to try with you guys using the cinnamon rolls. 1 bag of French fries. A bag of the breaded chicken breast fillets. These are really, really good. And 4 packages of chocolate. I got 2 white and 2 regular, and that's it. That is my entire haul for $76. Oh my goodness. Not not a whole lot of food, but took a whole lot of money. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's all I got for the money. So I'm still stunned at how much my bill came to, because now I will get that the cheese pizza was $5.99. I should get 2 meals and a snack out of that pizza, so that was a pretty good buy for me. Um, the chicken, there's usually 5 or 6 pieces of chicken in that bag, so that will give me 5 or 6 meals. I should get 2 or 3 meals out of the bag of French fries, and the other things were for recipes and uh, different things going on. But yeah, that was it. So that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope y'all are having a better week than I am so far. Yeah, thank goodness I pretty much don't have to go anywhere. I do have to stop by my post office box tomorrow. There was some more cards in my post office box, so I will show those cards during my Christmas show. But I think other than that, I have a doctor appointment tomorrow, but I think that's really about all I have. So yeah, I'm over the traffic. I'm over the prices. I'm over the shortages. I'm over it. So it's time to move on. And here's hoping that the rest of the holiday season is going well for all of you, and I really do hope you all are having a blessed holiday. So make sure to leave your prayer requests down below in the comments. Let me know how your holiday season is going, and what you're feeling out there. So yeah, let me know down below how things are going for you, and what you're noticing at your grocery stores and when you're out and about. So I will see you all on the next video.